Kapoor once said, if you carry your childhood with you, you never become older. Keeping that in mind, today I have Mrs. Nandita Shankar joining me to give a glimpse of her childhood.
Pause कर दूं?
Hello, I am Lavanya, and I am going to take you on a journey to show you how people can remain young forever.
Hi Lavanya, it is so lovely to be part of your show, and I don't know how old or young I am because I will never tell you that, but yeah, I think I can regress into my childhood very easily. Thank you for calling me.
You're welcome, Nandita. You're welcome, Nandita. So, Nandita, could you tell us how your childhood was and what kind of a girl were you when you were young?
How was my childhood? I think I was very quiet when I was small, very quiet. I don't think I spoke a word to anyone except my mother till I was probably in class 3. In class 3, I suddenly changed and became very naughty and started becoming more, friendly, and I started making friends. I started reading a lot. I think reading helped me a lot. And I got a lot into sports. I used to play a lot of games. And I think that was the person I was when I was a kid. And I think even now I do the same thing with my girls. I love being the kid.
That's lovely, Nandita. So, Nandita, when people have grown up a little bit, they also have a favorite childhood memory with them as they grow up. So, do you also have a favorite childhood memory of yours?
That's an interesting question. My childhood memory, which is my favorite. I think my favorite childhood memory is swimming, and swimming for hours on end, playing games. My other favorite memory, I think, was playing TT and being really good at it. I love that. I remember sitting and discussing things with my friends, all kinds of silly things.
That was a very lovely memory, Nandita. So, Nandita, can you tell us if you, as a child, had any favorite hobbies of yours, like everyone else does? Why is it? Huh.
Now you have to ask me.
I already asked my hobbies.
No, I have to answer. So my favorite hobby, I think one was of course sports. I think I really loved um, the physical activities like, as I said, swimming, tennis, cycling, all those things. I really love that. And I also love doing things like embroidery and my favorite hobby apart from that was what? I never did any cooking or anything, but I definitely enjoyed playing games. I think my hobby was that. I used to collect what are they called? Those cards. So New Year, earlier people used to get a lot of New Year cards. So I used to collect them and stick them in a book. I also had stamp collection, but I was not particularly serious. But I think collecting good looking cards was something which I loved doing. Pause कर दिया?
That was lovely, Nandita. So, Nandita, you are a therapist right now. But as a kid, did you want to become a therapist or there was something else you wanted to become?
I wanted to be a doctor, and I used to get very good marks in biology. So I had always seen myself as being uh, a doctor type of person, but I didn't know there was anything like a being a, the therapist was an option in the first place. So I think yeah, and I always thought I'll be a writer. I thought I'll be a famous writer, but I haven't become a writer yet, but I will become maybe. But I'm definitely a therapist. At least I've done some part of it.
Very nice, Nandita. So, Nandita, okay. Is there any one important lesson or moral that you learned through your childhood, like life lesson in your childhood?
That's a very, very good question, I must say, Lavanya. Because life lessons also means you're becoming old and you're trying to find out how young I am mentally. I think the life lesson that I've always learned is ultimately being positive, being happy with whatever I have. I think that is the secret of remaining young. If you don't have something, whether it's money or whether it's some particular object or expensive, something more expensive or something which you can't afford or can't have, well, bad luck. You have to be like a child. The child doesn't think much about these kind of things. The child lives in the moment, enjoying whatever they're getting and whatever they're doing. And if something bad happens, have you seen a child? If it gets hurt, it cries, and then after 2 minutes, it's forgotten. So even if you feel bad about something, you should be like the child. Move on, not think too much about it, and analyze it and stuff like that. Move on. I
Okay.
think that is the most important life lesson that I had.
Very nice, Nandita. So, Nandita, we have actually come to an end of this interview. I really hope you enjoyed our interview, and thank you so much for joining us today. Bye bye, everyone.
Look at me. Oh, thank you so much, Lavanya, for making me part of this. It makes me feel so nice to be here and to talk to the young people and have something to share. Thank you so much for having me here again.